Hey guys, Joe and John here with Petroleum Service Company, and today we are talking about absorbent products. Now, nobody likes to spill, all right, whether it's milk, morning coffee, or maybe it's a type of industrial lubricant. And in those instances, you don't just want a paper towel, you want something that'll get the job done right. And we have an extensive line of great products from not only Dri-Rite, but also PolySafe products.
That's right, Joe. Let's start off with the Dri-Rite product. The Dri-Rite, what the key component to it is the Fuller's Earth. Fuller's Earth being a clay product, has excellent soaking capabilities for hydrocarbons. Okay. And then it'll also have dolomite in it for traction. So you want to kind of put this down, let it sit on the floor. You don't want an employee walking through there and slipping. Right. So you have the dolomite in there for traction. And
those Dri-Rite bags are available in 40-pound bags and a great price on our website. And then jumping on over to the PolySafe products, we have a little wide variety here for different applications, it looks like.
Right. PolySafe being it is a polypropylene fiber. Again, excellent soaking capabilities in a polyfiber, and polyfibers actually float. Basically, think of these as like paper towels on steroids. All right. You're not going to just throw paper towels on it, but these will, again, absorb hydrocarbons. The first one is the drum toppers. So you have an employee who goes over to a 55-gallon drum, pumps some oil, they miss, they leak, they drip. Yeah. You have a puddle of oil sitting on top of that drum. Next guy comes over, walks into it, now he's mad. He's got oil all over him. So you put a PolySafe drum topper on there, absorbs it up, switch them out. I don't know, how many gallons you get out of the box, Joe?
Yeah, so we have 25 of those in a pack, and they can absorb up to 8.6 gallons per box.
That's a lot of oil. You don't want to lose 8.6 gallons, but know that you could safely dispose of and collect it if need be. Right. Another one similar to that, again in our poly line, is just the oil absorbent pads.
Yeah, the basic pads up there.
Pads, yep, they're the rectangular shape. Again, very similar to our drum toppers, but these are more on the floor.
Versatile uses.
Correct. You'll see these in trucks sometimes. The drivers will carry them. They'll put them if they know they have a leaky spot. They can put it underneath. You don't have to dump out a whole bag of Dri-Rite. Put one of these toppers under there. It'll collect small leaks. Easy cleanup. You're not sweeping it up and having to dispose of it. So just pick it up again like a paper towel on steroids.
And those are in packs of 100 and get up to 26.3 gallons per box. All right, John. And moving on from the absorbent pads, we also have the absorbent sock.
Right. So the absorbent sock, think of it like a sandbag.
Right.
You see spills out there, you're trying to contain something. Right. The absorbent sock, that's exactly what it do. It'll contain hydrocarbons. Great for keeping anything from getting in your shop drains, keeping it from getting into natural waterways. And if you're outside, you have an incident outside and you're near a waterway, you can contain that spill from getting into it.
And the absorbent socks are sold separately in a pack of 30, and each one of them holds up to about a gallon. But you can also get them in our all-encompassing trucker spill kit. Right.
So you have your trucker spill kit, which is exactly what it says. This is going to be one of those kits you want to keep behind the seat of your truck, any of the equipment you have out there in the field. It's going to contain everything we see on the table here, minus your drum toppers, because you're not driving around with a drum of oil, and you're not going to be using your Dri-Rite out in the field, because that's, again, for sweeping up around the shop floor. But the conveniently packed trucker spill kit, it's going to contain everything you need. Socks, it's going to have oil absorbent pads, it's going to have a pair of nitrile gloves, even a bag with a tie to go ahead and pick up and clean everything up when you're all finished.
All right, right on. So as you guys can see, we have an extensive line of absorbent products that you can find under the additional maintenance supplies section of our website, petroleumservicecompany.com. And for John, I'm Joe. Thanks for watching, guys.
Right on, guys.